Hi, Nancy Hlibok Amann here, School Site Superintendent for California School for the Deaf Riverside. Wow, I feel so good right now. Past couple days, 6 schools, and I'll tell you why the 6 in just a moment here. 6 schools that typically engage in the national tournaments, the 6 charter schools, hosting a variety of tournaments, such as Hoy, Clerc Classics, Berg Seeger, you name it. We realized that there was a need to convene and have the opportunity to dialogue about a litany of things that we truly value, and we want to see the continuation of the tradition of high school athletics being strong and remaining strong. So Riverside decided to host 6 school site superintendents and 6 athletic directors. This is the first time that the 12 of us have been in one room, and it was quite inspiring. We had 2 phenomenal facilitators, Laurene and Jeff Lewis. The 2 of them together, we just had an outstanding dialogue. The 6 schools were Indiana School for the Deaf, Fremont, Texas, MSSD, Maryland, and Riverside. I'd like to introduce these 2 gentlemen that are standing with me here today that made these 2 days very pleasant and just outstanding. We value the importance of academics and sports for our high school students, not just for our 6 schools, but for all schools nationwide, all deaf schools throughout the United States. I'd like to introduce Chris Hamilton, Athletic Director at Texas School for the Deaf. Hello, everyone. Yes, last 2 days, we talked at great length, recognized some sensitive issues, and we were all in agreement that we need to come up with an action plan, and we did. We will follow through with this action plan, truly. We are looking forward to seeing this come to fruition and thrilled to have the opportunity to work with all 6 superintendents and athletic directors in one room. Thank you to Nancy for making this happen. Sure, you're welcome. Thank you for saying that. Thank you for those kind words. And now, Superintendent for Indiana School for the Deaf, David Gleason. Right. Thank you to Nancy for hosting this meeting. Really appreciative. It was quite successful. The level of thought, not just for our 6 schools, but for all deaf children, all deaf students nationwide. Bottom line is that the goal is to see deaf students thrive ultimately in their academics and sports. We are here for the students. So thank you again for making this happen. Truly, thank you. My pleasure. And one additional thing I just wanted to add, in terms of the action plan, we will be sharing that information via vlog and email. It's important to keep an eye on NDIAA, their website or web page. You can take a look at their Facebook page to learn more about what NDIAA is doing for all deaf schools throughout the United States. Thank you so much. Thank you.